The Karter Scientific 2008U1 test tube rack offers space for 50 tubes, making it ideal for busy classrooms, home labs, and craft setups that need many samples organized at once. Its clear polystyrene construction is light in weight yet sturdy enough for repeated handling, so it holds up well during regular lab work or hobby use. The rack is designed to fit tubes within the common 15 to 18 millimeter outside diameter range, which covers many standard test tubes, lip balm tubes, and small vials. A three-tier layout with progressively sized openings keeps tubes upright and steady, reducing the chance of tipping or spills when the rack is moved. The detachable shelf design allows you to slide the layers apart for easier cleaning, storage, or reconfiguration when setting up different projects. Because it comes as a pack intended for multiple racks, it suits group work, production-style projects, or anyone who needs consistent organization across many stations.